Mako is the tallest, fastest, and longest roller coaster in Orlando. And today, I'm going to give you guys my thoughts on Mako, including whether or not I think it is the best Beat-'em Hyper. So, without further ado, let's get straight into my review of Mako. Mako starts with a short right turn out of the station before entering the very quick 200-foot tall lift, which gives you a great view of Kraken and other parts of Orlando. After you crest the top of the lift, you head down the 200-foot drop, getting sustained float or airtime the whole way down. After the drop, you head into a forceful overbank turn before ending into the 5-second airtime hill. And this hill absolutely lived up to the hype. You quite literally get 5 seconds of sustained float or airtime, which just seems to never end. Trust me, if you get a little bit of room in your restraint, you'll be floating for a while. Next, Mako heads into a hammerhead turnaround, which offers a surprising amount of positive G's while also just being a really cool element. Next, Mako has another airtime hill, this one unfortunately having a trim break. However, in my experience, it doesn't really hit most of the time, and the airtime is still great regardless. Mako then heads into one more short airtime hill before turning into a speed hill, both giving solid floater airtime. Then, Mako heads into the mid-course brake run, before beginning what I consider to be its finale. Mako heads into one last short airtime hill before turning up and to the right, then dropping to the right and turning left over the lake. This sequence of events is really picturesque from off-ride, as it kind of encompasses the whole entrance area, but it is also really cool from an on-ride perspective. Mako then pops up into the brake run, ending your 4,760-foot long journey on Mako. Mako uses the standard Beat-'em hypercoaster trains and clamshell restraints. You know them, you love them. These trains are super comfortable, and the clamshell is one of the most highly regarded restraints in the industry. And for good reason. They really let you experience the full extent of all the floater airtime moments, with no real issues or drawbacks. Another thing I like about the trains is that they look really nice. The shark-themed Zero car looks detailed while also being relatively simple. And the whole color scheme of the trains not only fits the ride, but also looks very good. This is a really big win for Mako. Mako is themed to, well, a Mako shark, as is evident in the ride's trains. And the area around the ride is themed to a Mako's hunting grounds. This theme is actually done really well. The area around the ride, including its queue and station, look great, and definitely look like quite a bit of time was put into them. The station in particular looks amazing, with the really rustic, kind of old theme and large projection above you that really make you feel like you're in a wreck in the ocean. Huge applause to SeaWorld for putting a lot of effort into this theme. Mako is the clinic of a hypercoaster. The drop is good, the restraints are freeing, and every element will more likely than not leave you with a smile on your face. The 5-second airtime hill 100% lives up to the hype. Not to mention, with the new paint job, the ride looks absolutely amazing. The deep purple track and dark blue-green supports look very nice. Also, the trains, the queue, and the station look amazing, and really tie you into the theme well. While I still think that Diamondback is the best Beat-'em Hyper, this ride is not far off. Mako is really such a great ride, and makes for an amazing #1 roller coaster at SeaWorld Orlando. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.